Oi, Firas, bro. You should grow your hair, cuz. It'll look better in a bun, G. Oi, Firas, mate. The other day I had to drop a deuce in your toilet. I blocked your shitter. Mate, it was a fountain of shit. Somebody say, hey, we want some. It's funny because it's a pad. Hey, Firas. I do these puns to get followers. Oi, Firas. You mess with me, you're gonna die, son. Yeah, do those reps, big boy. Do those reps. Do it for the girls. Oi, Firas, bro. Look, I was talking to this girl the other night, yeah? She seemed pretty keen. I was like, listen, baby, the bigger the better, right? She said, unfortunately, I'm a virgin feminist who thinks that females are equal. But on the weekend, she likes to kick a man. Wait, if I ask honest question now, honest question. Does our penis produce our sperm?
You can't say that.
Or do our nuts? Oi, Firas.
Yeah.
They call me Hugh Hefner.
Why?
Cause I crush these hoes.